Hello, and welcome to a special edition of Not Okay Reviews, featuring your host, Jordan. Today I'm here to tell you there's one correct way to pour your beer, according to a friend of mine called Science. Let's face it, there's a lot of misinformation in the beer world about how we're supposed to pour beer. Today I'm going to take those misconceptions to bed, tell them a nice bedtime story, tuck them in, and say goodnight once and for all. Step 1. Grab the appropriate container for the type of beer that you have. Today I'm having a pale ale, so this goblet will do just fine. Step 2. The tilt. Tilt the glass as far as you can, approaching horizontal or as close to horizontal as possible. This position will help ease the beer's transition to the outside world. Step 3. Insertion. Slide your bottle or can inside the glass and begin to pour as slowly as possible, allowing the beer to gently slide down the side of the glass. Step 4. The big release. Straighten out the glass and let the beer fall out naturally. This is good because it reduces the carbon emissions, which helps you fart less. You ever drank a beer and thought to yourself, wow, I really have to poop now? Well, say goodbye to that. Step 5. Enjoy your beer as it was meant to be enjoyed. Well, there you have it. I hope you all learned something today. Let me know in the comments if you've been pouring beer wrong your whole life. I hope you're having a fine night. Thank you. Good night.